Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making chicken pasta in white sauce. For this we need refined flour, mozzarella cheese, milk, salt, black pepper powder, mixed herb, boneless chicken, boiled penny pasta, butter. So first we have to sear the chicken. That means on high flame we will cook the chicken for around 2 minutes with butter. So I am adding around half a teaspoon of butter. Let it melt. Now I'll add boneless chicken and cook it on high flame for around 1 to 2 minutes till the color of chicken is changed. Now you can see our chicken is nearly done, so we will put it into a bowl, and on same frying pan we'll make white sauce. For this I'll add 1 teaspoon butter and around 2 teaspoons of refined flour and cook it for around 1 minute on low flame. Now you can see our refined flour is cooked. Now I will add 1 glass of milk. Mix it well. We don't need any lump, and let it boil. Now add 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs, pinch of black pepper powder, salt to taste. Then we will add chicken, our seared chicken. Mix it well. Let it cook for another 1 minute. Now add mozzarella cheese, around 2 teaspoons of mozzarella cheese. If you don't have mozzarella cheese, you can add any processed cheese. Mix it well till the cheese melt completely. Now add boiled penny pasta and mix very gently because pasta is very delicate. So mix it very gently for around half a minute, and your chicken pasta in white sauce is ready. So try this interesting recipe, and for more such interesting recipes please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.